I mean, honestly, Hajbi, do you think that they would think that we would ever end our shows with a shitty ending like that? No. You know better than that. We do really good endings. Yes. A happy ending, as they say. Yes. That is what you will get. Now, since I do know one thing, is that we have been here once before. In here, but I understand that not all of you have seen us before. So, I wonder, who of you have not seen us before? You're new. This is your first time, huh? Ah. How do you like it? You like it? It's a good show, yes. It's so good, yeah. Good. Well, I will bring you up to speed. Some of these people, they are experienced and they know what's going on. But since you are new, you might not. You see, we always end our shows with the same song. Every time. And some people think it's a little boring. Nine. Some people do think it's a little bit predictable even. Yeah? Nine. It is not predictable. I mean, let's face it. It is like we've spent a Sunday night together, an hour and a half. It's getting late. We've been dancing, and we've been throwing kisses. So in a way, you could say that we are already doing it. So, after an hour and a half of doing it, I think it's time that we all deserve an orgasm. Yes. Don't you think? So, Wiesbaden, will you make this an orgasm? Do you want to orgasm with me? You want to orgasm with me really loud? You're gonna orgasm with me with that slight German accent of yours and make this really count, right? And when you go home, you're gonna give each other orgasms, correct? Yeah, fantastic. All right, I think we're ready then. Wiesbaden, Deutschland, people from beyond, thank you from the bottom of my heart for being here tonight. Thank you. Thank you. Conclusively, I give you monstrance